Hello guys, welcome back. Now I've reset the balance of the challenge account to 20 again, and to make the challenge even real and better, I've actually purchased a new account of $10,000 from the instant funding account and the account target will be 7% and the drawdown will be the same. The maximum loss will be the same, 7%. So I will be more engaged into each trade emotionally, and let's practice this way. So okay, this is the support. Gold is moving upwards, but I'm still interested in the sell position. So let's wait. I was actually thinking about taking a sell here on eurusd. Pause. And if we enter into sell now, it will be impulsive entry rather than well analyzed, but it's moving upwards. But okay, I've checked my voice is clearly audible. Also, the stream is going good. So now we can actually look for possible setups. Okay, let's wait for the price to reach here. We'll take a sell in this setup on both the accounts, and we can actually quickly sort out TP and SL. Okay, so now I've decided that I won't trade Bitcoin. The only two pairs which I will trade will be gold and Euro USD, because during my back test I've realized these two are my most profitable pairs. Bitcoin does also works good according to my strategy, but two are more than enough. And if I start trading Bitcoin, I'll be really engaged in just trading the whole week, which sometimes doesn't work in our favor. It works against you. So let me just quickly set up this trade on eurusd. I'll quickly explain the logic of this trade. Just a minute. Let me set the TP and SL, and I will surely explain you. So 17227. Just type it 227, and my TP is 1.16955. So based on this, the TP and SL are small. I've just stopped it for. So I will take. So it's good, I guess. Risking this much in the first trade. So what was my logic behind this trade? I'll explain you. And if we switch to 5-minute time frame, we can see that mark this support and resistance, and which price broke in this candle, but again got into another support, and both support were actually near. So I didn't want to take entry in between such a narrow zone of two supports. So I was waiting for a breakout of this two zones. So the price now, after all, they broke out from this. So that's why I took an entry. I planned an entry actually. My entry is yet to be triggered, and this was my idea. Also, if you see, we have multiple zones waiting for us. Also, if we actually see, the price broke out from the trend line as well. So multiple confluences. This is also a support, but I won't fear from it because the price already broke down two zones, so it is good. For me, it is a good setup, and and if I get to enter in this trade, it it will be a good start to our challenge. We can also get entry in gold. That's why I risked only $5 in EURUSD so that we can combine both the pairs and risk around $20. We'll sell gold only if we get the breakdown of this support zone. The next support zone is way further, so we can have a smooth movement towards down. By any chance, if we get a setup on gold along with EURUSD, we can get a very good head start to our challenge part 2. Should we also trade Bitcoin? Please comment down so that I get to know, because I'm planning to just trade these two pairs. the price almost reached our sell limit area, and I think we can now actually enter into a sell setup. Okay, let's go with 0.3. Still not triggered. So will they allow us to set a sell limit here? Okay, we'll just market execute this order. We'll wait. So on 0.05 the TP and SL is 6.65. So to risk 1% on this setup, we have to use the one lot. We have to use one lot. Okay, then so we got triggered in the sell on this. And what about, okay, I'll use 0.5 lots. Okay, we have entered into the first setup of this funded account. I'll just quickly set the TP and SL, which is 0.1727, 7227. Okay. The TP is 1.1696955. Okay. Maybe we'll have to. Okay, the spread is of $2, so it won't affect much. So we have officially entered into the first setup of ours, the first sell setup. Now we have market executed it. Now we will wait. I'm waiting for another setup on gold as well, and then if we get our TP on both, we can actually get our account started at a good profit. Gold keeps good trade in the night or in the morning when I can't be online on the live, so I'm missing on a lot of setups nowadays. And if I were not to trade on live, I would have taken all the setups. But just to be transparent, and I'm taking these on live so that I can build the trust. I've not removed Bitcoin because few times I get good setups on Bitcoin as well. So I'm a little confused. Should I or should I not? And this coin is also approaching its breakout. You can give a setup to you guys if you want. If the Bitcoin breaks this resistance, you can actually enter into a buy and you can keep your PPMSL at this point or at this point below this, and if we will be live during that time, we'll also enter this. This setup looks good to me. Should we clean the charts now? Pause. Okay, I've cleaned the chart. Eurusd is going up. Not behaving like what I wanted from it. Gold is not moving at all. Bitcoin, there's still 10 minutes left, so we'll actually wait for 10 more minutes to see whether how the price behaves. And one more resistance zone will be here. And if we get a breakout on this zone too, it can be a good setup on Bitcoin as well. Gold and USD. We are down $20. This day feels like very unlucky day, 29 April. I met with a road accident. I got injured. My hands and my legs got severely hurt. You can see got bandages on my hand, and we lost our $20 account as well. So very bad day and very unlucky day. If you ask me which zone I will prefer more, I would say this, but this zone is also looking good to me, as if if Bitcoin breaks this zone, ultimately it will break that zone too, because it's in good uptrend since the morning. Okay, okay, since 8 p.m. So eurusd is not behaving good at all, taking us out into a sell setup and now going up, even though it broke out from a trend line or support as I've marked. It's still going up. Let's hope we get a quickly downside movement so that we start positively. So good setup overall. And now if we see a downside movement, we can see a very high momentum selling as well. We could see, because it's high night time, it's 2 o'clock now, and possibly gold can move, which will drive the momentum in Euro USD as well. I don't know, but why gold is actually moving a lot during the night. It sometimes feels frustrating, but it opens a lot of opportunity for the night traders who actually, or whose time aligns with this timing. Maybe can you, I'll switch off the camera and mic for 2 minutes. You can continue watching the stream. I'm coming back, bringing my bottle and all. I'm again feeling very sleepy, so we can end the stream. And if I get into another setup, or I manage the setup of Euro USD or even Bitcoin, I find a setup, I'll surely share it on Telegram group. So okay, please join my Telegram. I'll share the updates there, and we can end the stream. Please do like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Join my Telegram link and all the other links as well. I will mention the links in the comment. Sorry, but I won't be able to continue the stream because it's already 2 o'clock at night. Okay then, bye, good night.